Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn reserved keywords of entities in HTML. By defaultly, like a less than and greater than, such type of keywords will not be displayed at our HTML form, where we are going to using for script tags. These are the tags are here, like making input text and body and HTML and all the things these are such are all are reserved in HTML program. Whereas till if you want to display like see here, I will show you. Yes, such characters. If you want to see the less than, wherever you may require less than, and if it is in a mathematics HTML page you are going to preparing, yes, it's absolutely required for logical operators, end operators, and less than, greater than, percentile, all the things are required. So to displaying such characters and such entities in HTML, we'll see here what is the entity name and how it should be displayed there. Like a entity either ampersand and entity name or an ampersand with hash entity number. By using these things, we'll get such a information our display purpose. See, some useful HTML characters I have shown you here in this document. Now, this is the result. It will comes the output. The description, what is the purpose we are using, and entity name, either name or entity number you can use to display a character in your HTML form. Right now, let's see. If you want to see like a present any space wherever you require in paragraph, just use ampersand NBSP or else ampersand hash 160 terminator with the semicolon. So you will get the space automatically. How it is, I will show you. Simple example I'll show you, like what I'm taking is in a paragraph here. Yes, this is a letter. This is the letter. I have a type on a paragraph. Save it, refresh. This is the letter here. And here by default I'm taking this much of space by pressing the tab, and letter 2 within the having this much of space here, and type here with the letter 2. Now let's save it and refresh. Where it is coming in the page without space, it is coming here. So ampersand, this is the entity of ampersand NBSP colon will give you offer the space. Like this is the way you have to give as you try to apply how much space you require to take. Okay, one character for one ampersand. Now let's see here this much. If you want more, you can create more. Copy, paste, save it, refresh. See, likewise, you can create your space by using this. If it is on a very less, like a 1-2 characters, you are going to use this. That is a very much pretty easy. Okay, this is the way. If you want to see the less than, yes, you can use this thing to display the less than. Otherwise, it will throw you an error. And here I'm going to before letter I'm going to present less than. Now let's see here. Save it, refresh. See the less than, how it is pretty easy. Likewise, you find out all the entities greater than, ampersand, and double quotation mark, and a single quotation mark, cent, pound, and euro, and copyrights and registered trademark. Now we'll see about the copyright again. It's a very important for all the websites. Now what I'm doing here, I'm taking one more paragraph, and all rights are reserved. Copyrights, we can specify this word, and we can specify the symbol of C. Yes, copy, paste. That's it. Save it, and you will see the symbol here. That's it. How much pretty easy. So you can, these are the most popular words of the some useful HTML entity characters, where you can use all the things and practice well wherever it is applicable. You try to write all these things and learn many. if you are going to search in like www like w3c.org, the website will have many which are predefined and registered with HTML, like such a type of character entities. You can avail of it. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.